The library is one of the best kept secrets on campus. Everyone should know about it. My name is Nancy Falciani-White. I've been at Randolph-Macon since December 2016, and I'm the library director of the McGraw-Page Library. With the exception of the Warner Pavilion, which was added on to the McGraw-Page Library in 2012, there haven't been any major interior renovations to the library since 1987, which is when the building was actually doubled in size and fully remodeled. And so after several years of advocacy, it was the college administration that finally made the decision to remodel now. When the library was built in 1987, it was a different student population. No one had laptops. No one was charging personal devices. There was no wireless. And so the structure of the building was really for a different kind of use. And so as we rethought what we wanted to do with the space, we converted most of our desktops to laptops. We've made sure there's power absolutely everywhere we can put power, and tried to meet today's students really where they are, which is a variety of study options, a variety of places where you might just want to relax between classes if you stop by the library on your way to class or on your way back from class, and things like that. Library staff have been involved in this process intimately since we first started talking about renovating. We started in fall of last year actually making decisions about carpet colors and patterns, and they've continued to be involved in decision-making, color selection for the walls, space allocation, things like that. And then once we actually started doing the work in the late spring and summer of this year, staff helped pack up their offices and other library spaces, moved furniture, helped with decision-making. In addition, physical plant staff have really been partners in this process. They have helped us move furniture, they have helped us remove and then rehang TVs all over the building. They've given us advice and recommendations as to what we can do, and have really just supported library staff throughout this process. They've been absolutely fantastic. We've also partnered with vendors. So we've had different contractors in to lay the carpet, to paint the walls, to hang the signs and all of that. And so they've also been an intimate part of the process. The biggest challenge was just the disruption. So staff started packing up their offices in April, and they had to be absolutely emptied. And so it was really just chaos in the building for a couple of months. There were odors from the paint and the carpet glue. There was a lot of noise as things were demoed and rebuilt. And so that was really one of the biggest challenges, particularly through the months of May and June. The most obvious changes, which you'll notice as soon as you walk into the building, is that there is new carpet and new paint throughout the space. So the various shades of mauve that used to be predominant are gone, and that has really brightened up the space significantly. We also have new, consistent, and ADA compliant signage, which we're very excited about. And we're adding additional signage in the main stairwells and in a couple other places at the main entrances as well, just to increase, and we hope improve, wayfinding throughout the library. So just helping people navigate the space more readily. A few offices were added to the Higgins Academic Center area to accommodate new staff. Tutoring is being centralized into the main level of the library, which is why we've moved some of the shelving that was in that area and opened it up and added additional tables. We have moved the makerspace, the library's makerspace, into the area that was formerly the communications center. It not only adds a little more space for the makerspace and a little room to grow, but it also makes it more visible and we hope more readily accessible to students who want to explore that area. We've added new art and just more art, including some student art throughout the library, which I'm very excited about. I think we've made some great changes there. I hope that the aesthetic improvements will make students coming from a variety of educational backgrounds with a variety of library experiences. I hope that the changes to the building will make them feel more welcome, as well as for faculty who maybe haven't felt that the library was a space for them in the past. I hope that raising the profile of the makerspace and increasing the amount of art that we have around the building will encourage creative thinking and creative problem solving for people who are using the library. Our collections and our services are really excellent for a library our size. And so I hope that these changes will encourage people who've used the library in the past to come and take another look and explore the various ways that the library can meet their academic and creative needs.